Then you flip over here to Dorothy Cooper Foote, who was one of the freelance writers on the show. Gidget has a crush on an older man, that's Daniel Travanti, who'll show up in Hill Street Blues as a grown man. He's a photographer, he's a war veteran from the Vietnam War, though that war is unmentioned, but he's a war veteran. And he's taking pictures of her for a magazine. She falls in love with him. She discovers he actually has a fiance. He didn't realize she had a crush on him because he didn't consider a younger girl somebody that he would go after. And her and her dad had this lovely moment because he says, you're always going to hurt a little. And he knows because his wife has passed away. So he's a widow. So they make this connection on having experienced loss together, which is a very mature thing for a young girl and her father to be able to discuss and to share. And again, that mature attitude toward her comes from a female writer.